Rachel Willow here. Obviously, hand sanitizer is running off the shelves very quickly if it hasn't already. And it obviously is no replacement to washing your hands, which you should be doing under warm water. They recommend you saying happy birthday to yourself twice. Don't just do the tops of your hands, but do your touch points where you are interacting with stuff the most. Get under your nails, around your fingernail beds, things like that. Make sure you're really working in the soap and then go under the warm water. But obviously I'm out and about. I'm sometimes in my car, I'm meeting with clients. I don't always have access to wash my hands in between talking with people or running out of the office. So I have made my own hand sanitizer. It's really easy to make, pretty simple to do. This is an old Johnson & Johnson Aloe vitamin E bottle that I had lying around the house. I also have old lotion bottles that I'm using as well for a home hand sanitizer for when we have guests over and things like that, and they are needing it as well. But it's pretty much just a 2/3 cup recipe of 99% rubbing alcohol, a 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel. I have also added in about 2 or 3 teaspoons of vitamin E oil to try and help counteract the drying agents in rubbing alcohol to keep some moisture in, which the aloe will do as well. And then I personally have also added in 10 to 15 drops of Thieves Young Living oil to not only add a scent, but also to get the added benefits that Thieves Young Living can provide during this time and trying to kill off diseases and stuff like that. So you just put that all together, mix it up, and there you have it. Homemade hand sanitizer. It's quite easy, and it's really great to know how to do that, especially when you can't find it on the shelves and everybody's going to be needing to clean the house and keep care of yourselves as much as possible. So if you have any questions, comment below, and stay tuned. I'll have more tips and tricks for cleaning and cleaning products and things like that.